What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Andrew here, back at it again with another video. And today I'm going to do an honest review on an app called Lucky Day and how to make money and win free prizes, you guys. So this is going to be a full honest review. If you're new today, thank you for stopping by. Considering subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of creative tips and freebies as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so I'm already logged into my account here in the Lucky Day app. As you can see, my balance on the bottom left and right corner, I have $7.50. I have 3 million coins, you guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how I got this. It's very simple. They give you scratch off cards, and all you got to do is scratch them off, and you have a possibility of winning either some cash or some coins, which you can redeem the coins for prizes. And I'll get into that in a little bit. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna do an example scratch off for you guys. So I'm gonna click this one called Knight King. So it's gonna say match 3 of that symbol to win 150k coins, you guys. And don't forget your bonus. So just push play now, and then there's a scratch off right there, you guys. All you would have to do is just scratch it off with your finger. That's it. So I only got 2 there. My bonus play, I only got 1750. So it's not too bad, you guys. At least you win, and you get, and I totally forgot to tell you, you get all these bonus tokens every day as you log in. So that's pretty cool. So that's an extra 6,000, and I have 3.5 million coins, you guys. You can just chill, and whenever you're bored or whenever you're on the toilet doing your business, you can hop in this app and try and win some cash, free prizes, you guys. So I'm going to try and do one more for you guys, and then I'm going to try and show you how to get these free prizes. So let's just try Lucky Night. So this one's a $1,200 payout. I doubt it's going to give it to me, but we'll see what happens. So I got 2 bonuses and just 1750 coin payout for the bonus play. Let's try the Lucky Cola. Push play now for a chance to win $2, you guys. Scratch off. So let's see what happens. Nope, didn't get it. So you can see, you guys, you don't always win all the time, but as you can see, my winnings on the bottom, it does pay at times. So, and I got 3.5 million coins, so I can definitely get a prize. So I'm gonna show you about the prize right now. So as you can see, my name's right there, Andrew G. That's me. This is my legit profile. I have $7.50, and I have 3.5 million coins that I can redeem. So if I put instant rewards here, you have 3 million, you got 5 million, and 10 plus million. So these are like all the gift cards that you get if you have any up there. 10 million. These are the gift cards you can get for 5 million, and these are what you can get for 3 million. This is what I have right now. So I would be eligible to get something from the 3 million products. So I would be eligible to get something from the 3 million. So since I have 3.5 million coins, I can grab any of these, you guys, any of them. So as you can see here, there's plushes there, there's sunglasses, there's some bracelets there, keychains. You got some what was that, mustache? You got some eyewear, just little toys, pens, you guys, little gadgets here and there. You got a hat right there, a pillow. Man, look at that! You got a USB charger with the case. That's pretty nice. You got a kid's hammock, whatever that is for the kids. Got this snow cone maker thing on the bottom. I mean, that's pretty cool, you guys, for free, you guys. A free prize, you guys, with Lucky Day. So that just shows right there that they're legit, you know what I mean? So let's just say if I try and get this this poop pillow, whatever it is, it's 5 left. So it says poop face emoji keychain. So it's a keychain. So it shows some pictures there. Shows you some features as well. So I can redeem right now if I wanted to, and click the green button, redeem, because I already have over 3 million coins. So at least the prizes part is true. Yes, you can get free prizes, but with the money wise, unfortunately, you would have to get $10 to cash out to PayPal, and you must have an active PayPal account, and it's free to create an account. Just go to paypal.com and get you set up right there. Another cool feature as well is got the lotto. You got raffle and blackjack, you guys. So if you go to raffle, you can get some tickets there and draw for the raffle, you guys. There's $50 wins, $1,000 winning, 95, and so on. If you go back, there's the lotto. So all you have to do is choose random numbers, and then when the lotto comes in every 24 hours, they give you the winning numbers. If your numbers match the winning numbers, then you win the prize. So I'm actually waiting. Got 18 hours, 41 minutes left till the lotto results come in. So that's pretty cool, you guys. So click done, go back, and they got blackjack. So if you guys are all into gambling, the casino card playing, this will be for you guys. So I'll show you a little quick demonstration real quick. I'm just gonna bet 100. So put deal real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna try and hit it one more time. Bam, aced it, you guys. So as you can see, I got my 100 back. So that's blackjack. That's pretty much it, you guys, on my earnings with Lucky Day. I have over 3.5 million coins, and I have $7.50. So I'm basically a couple dollars away from hitting that $10 cash out with PayPal. So I hope you guys liked this video. If this was good to your knowledge, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see all you guys till next time. God bless.